What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Dsound.dll error missing on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So this can happen for certain games like Valorant and whatnot, but the easiest way to basically fix this error is you want to Google this error, the DLL, into Google and find one of the DLL download websites, such as this one, for example, and then click into downloads, and you want to find both the 32-bit and the 64-bit version of this DLL, right? Download both of them. Once you do that, open up a folder, go into this PC, go to local disk C. In here, find the Windows folder. In there, find the folder called System32 and SysWow64. The System32 one is for the 32-bit, and the SysWow64 is for the 64-bit. Copy the applicable one that you downloaded and just paste the DLL file in here. Once you do that, just restart your computer, try to turn on the application or game or whatever it was basically, and you should be good to go, and that error will not persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you guys need to do. So if you guys are a video, please thumbs up. Guys, channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then what trolls out. Peace.